Wait. Today, I'll show you how to do this effect. On Capcut. And I'm serious, yes, on Capcut. But before we get started, guys, I just want to let y'all know that this is not just a tutorial. This is me trying out things. So it's a series of me trying out things. Let me give you an idea of what happened at first. So initially, I'll do these sick edits using Higgsfield. But Higgsfield is so expensive. Like, nobody can just cough out $50 per month like that. One night I edited this video. Yo guys, come with me as I try and cook up a dope edit. So now there's this vlog I was editing for Ray. Him and his friends went to the gun range. So I want the transition to be at this part of the video.
For being the best shooter.
See, from here, my goal is to make the camera pan close to the gun, then when it, even into the gun, then when it shoots, it shows the gun mechanics, then the bullet comes out. But I also want the camera to follow the bullet as it hits the target. That will be sick. Yeah, so I went to ChatGPT and I wrote a prompt. I'm like, hey Chat, please make a prompt which we use for Higgsfield. The first picture is a guy holding the gun, you know, which is Ray holding the gun there. I want as he shoots, the screen zooms into the gun and follows the bullet until the training target board. See, like the second picture over there, which is the second picture. So I want AI to cook something. So I told you to write a prompt for me, you know, that's 5 to 15 seconds over here. You know, then I'm gonna copy this prompt and paste it on Higgsfield. But this is where the problem starts, because you need to pay to use Higgsfield and check how much it is. Damn. Me being me, I just might pay for it, but I'm still thinking about it. I just decided to pay for it. You know, you only live once, and you know, I love this job. Higgsfield, I logged in, I went to video, then I wanted to try something new, which is King 3.0. It's the same as Sedans. Sedans is the one I first edited on, but let's try this one. So where it says start frame, I put the picture I wanted to start on. Then end frame, I put the picture I want the video to end on. These are pictures, guys. Then I pasted the prompt that I made on ChatGPT. Remember that prompt? Yeah, I pasted it there. Then I just clicked on generate. The video is finally done. Oof. It cooked. The bullet came in an odd manner. I don't know why is the bullet coming. Then since I spent so much, my heart was at pain because I spent so much money just for 15 seconds clip. So I went to sleep and woke up one morning with one realization. Wait, Capcut can actually do the same effect on its own. You lying! So today we're trying that live. It's happening. I'm learning as I'm going. I haven't done this on Capcut. I'm just testing it out. So that's why I'm not saying it's just a tutorial, because you know, it might go wrong and might go right. But just know it went right. So watch until the end. Let's get into it. Okay, just to show y'all proof, I did this intro on Capcut. I mean, on Higgsfield. As you can see, and I finished it a bit, but that's not the point. So I noticed on Higgsfield there's this Sedans 2.0 fast. That's Higgsfield. So now when I go on Capcut, I see the same thing. So you now know what that means. So now I'm gonna test out, will I be able to do the same edit on Capcut? Let's see. So I'm gonna click on this Sedans thing. You know, it has the same, basically the same panel. But now I'm gonna go on ChatGPT, you know, because this is where I made the prompt. To make this kind of edit, you basically need the prompt. So I'm just gonna copy this prompt. I'm gonna copy the second one because the first one was short, was long, I mean. So I'm just gonna copy the second one. Then I paste it here. Then I'm gonna add the pictures, the same pictures I added. 1 and 2. Give me a sec. I'm trying to use both my hands here. 1 and 2. Import. Just like that. So now I'm gonna say settings. Probably make it 1080. Make it 16.9. You know, YouTube format. we don't need audio, and I got credit. So let's see if it's gonna work. Generate. Let's see. Is it generating? Okay, it is generating. I almost thought it was done for a sec. So let's wait. My bad, guys. I'm like shooting twice. So yeah, let's wait and see. This is gonna be a crazy theory. If this actually works out, damn, that means we don't need Higgsfield, bro. And I'm doing this because Higgsfield is so expensive. Like it's unrealistically expensive. Probably not unreal. It is unrealistic, bro. Because that price for just a 15-second clip. At least if it was like, 3 minutes. But now we're paying that much. Now imagine you have to prompt something for 3 minutes. How pricey that might be. I'm just saying. Lastly, before I continue, so this segment was supposed to be for only members only, or it was supposed to be posted first on members only, but I had to restart the intro because I thought, what if someone new comes to the channel, clicks on the video because they saw the thumbnail and title, then the video doesn't start like the way they expected it to start with the tutorial. So I just reshot this so it can start like a tutorial. But for the members only, y'all get a raw uncut. Y'all see all the errors I went through. Y'all see everything. Although this video will be like that, I just want to give y'all a glimpse of how members only will be, And members only is also a segment where I'll release often. It's uncut videos, you see. Guys, please don't mind my niece and my nephew. Hey, I'm babysitting for the day. Don't mind me. Finally, so it's done. Let's see if it did the same thing, guys. If it does the same thing, I'm gonna crash out because I paid so much on Higgsfield. You lying. You what? And it came out way better. I'm crying, guys. I'm really crying. So my theory is actually right. It came out right. Guys, so that means you don't need to pay expensive subscriptions to make this type of edits. They're scamming us, y'all. This means that Higgsfield and Capcut are implementing they're using the same software basically, bro. Probably not using the same software. The programmers are using the same prompts, whatever they're doing, same code. Yeah, bro. I used to do IT. I don't know why I'm not using IT. They're using the same code, bro. Guys, you know how I'm excited at the same time I'm disappointed because I lost money, but at the same time I'm like I don't need to lose more money. So guys, join along. If you see this is like straight raw me testing something live. And it worked out. Same prompt, same everything. But if you want me to show you how I did it again, dip idea, I got a YouTube channel, man. You can check it out. I'm actually recording twice, guys.